Hello everyone. Today we will discuss on the other international agreements. This is our today's topic, other international agreement. The first one, IPPC. Before starts this, the history, the Cartagena Protocol is the only international agreement which deals with exclusively with GMOs. Okay, it is the important sentence. Cartagena Protocol is the only one at international level agreement which deals exclusively with the GMOs, but there are number of other agreements which address various aspects of biosafety or biological diversity. In that, the first one, IPSC or IPPC. The long form of IPPC is the International Plant Protection Convention. Protects plant health by assessing and managing the risk of plant pest. The IPPC is the process of setting standard to address the plant pest risk associated with GMOs and invade species. Invade means, it is meaning of invade word is the disease or pest spread into the plant or microorganism, etc. That is the spreading, is known as the invade. In IPPC says that, or objectives that protect the plant health by managing the risk of the plant pest. Therefore, is known as International Plant Protection Convention. The IPPC allows governments to take action to prevent the introduction and spread of such pest. It is established procedure for analyzing risk, including impacts on natural vegetation. It is the first other international agreement. You keep in mind the long form of IPPC. Ask anytime as objectives in the theory examination. International Plant Protection Convention. This is the first international agreements and which is used for the plant protection from the pest and diseases. There is some information about IPPC. Here logo. The International Plant Protection Convention is a 1951 multilateral treaty overseen by the Food and Agriculture Organization that aims to secure coordinated effective action to prevent and to control the introduction and spread of pest and plant products. The sign 6 December 1951, total number of signatories 29, the location Rome, Italy, and effective implemented in 1952. It is the logo for International Plant Protection Convention. Second international agreements is the Codex Alimentarius Commission, in bracket CAC, caps मध्ये CAC, Codex Alimentarius Commission, addresses food safety and consumer health. On March 8, 2002, at Japan, a task force of the Codex Alimentarius Commission has reached an agreement on a final draft of principles for the risk analysis of foods derived from biotechnology. The Commission is also considered the issues of labeling biotic foods to allow the consumer to make and informed choice, the Codex Alimentarius or the food code become the seminal global references point for consumers, food producers, and the processors, national food control agencies, and the international food trade. That is the Codex Alimentarius Commission, and which is work on food safety and consumer health. The products developed from or derived from biotechnology, and this convention or this commission work on the biosafety, food safety, and consumer health. You keep in mind the long form CAC. This is also asked many times in last semester exam. Codex Alimentarius Commission. This is logo for Codex Alimentarius, International Food Standards. It is a Wikipedia page, Codex Alimentarius. The third one, World Organization for Animal Health. World Organization for Animal Health, referred as Office of the International Disease Epizootics. ब्रॅकेट मध्ये त्याचं दिलेलं आहे OIE. OIE stands for Office of the International Disease Epizootics, and it is transferred to English language or US language, World Organization for Animal Health, which develops standards and lines designed to prevent the introduction of infectious agents and the disease into the importing country during international trade in animals, animal genetic material, and animal products. It is totally related to the animal health, animal products, genetic material related to the animals, etc. OIE stands for Office of the International Disease Epizootics, in bracket World Organization for Animal Health. That is the logo for OIE, World Organization for Animal Health. The fourth international agreements, World Trade Organization, that is WTO, stipulates a number of WTO agreements, such as the agreement on the application of sanitary and phytosanitary measures. It is totally related to the sanitization, cleanness, then plant health, and the technical barriers to the trade, that is TBT. Agreement contain provisions that are relevant to the biosafety. The fourth one, WTO, it includes SPS, that is sanitary and phytosanitary measures, and TBT, technical barriers to the trade. Keep in mind the long form and short form. TBT, SPS, WTO. This is the logo of WTO. Whereas the Cartagena Protocol on Biosafety and WTO advocate the use of science-based risk assessment as the means of justified trade-related measures There are areas of that is living modified organisms. For example, with the regard to the certain biotechnology product, the details needed to the considered for risk assessment under the protocol and the SPS are very different. The SPS does not specify exactly what a risk assessment, but the protocol elaborates this is in details. SPS does not mention the risk management, but merely risk assessment. It is an important thing. The mandatory labeling of LMOs FFP under the protocol may be also conflict with the WTO rules. This is the other international agreements. We are discuss. The first one IPPC, second one CAC, third one OIE, and last one WTO. It includes SPS and TBT. These are the four international agreements.